Hello, in this video I'm going to go through a little harder problem dealing with mean, median, and mode. So let's get started. So the question says, Vera remembers 5 of her 7 test scores. These are 9, 5, 7, 9, and 10, with all tests being out of a total of 10 points. If the mode is 9, mean equals 8, and she got only 1 10, find the other 2 scores. So before I solve this, pause the video and try to do this on your own, and then come back and look at the answer. So welcome back, and let's go through the problem. So one thing we know is that the total is 7. So we have number of terms. The number of terms is 7. Okay, and we already know 5 of these terms. So let's call the 6th term, or the 6th score, let's call that x. And let's call the 7th one y, okay? So we know 5, we know the 6th one, 7th one, and we know that the mean of this is 8. So the easiest thing to do is express this as an equation. So the 5 scores are 9 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus the 6th one is x plus the 7th one is y. Divide that by 7, and this is basically what we do to get the mean, and we know that that equals 8, right? So simplifying this, 8 times 7 is 56, and that equals, well, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 7 is 21, 21 plus 9 is 30, and 30 plus 10 is 40. So 40 plus x plus y. And subtracting 40 from both sides, we are left with 16 equals x plus y. So right now, we're looking for 2 numbers who add up to be 16. And we've already used this piece of information, but we still, we're given the mode, so let's see if we can try to use that as well. So here we're trying to find 2 numbers that add up to 16. Well, that could be 10 plus 6 is a possibility. We have 9 plus 7, and we have 8 plus 8, right? Yeah, so that would be it, because if I go 7 and 9, that's the same thing as this one. 6 and 10 is the same thing as this one. And I can go lower than that because it says clearly all tests being out of a total of 10 points, right? So if I go lower than that, if I go to 5, to get to 16, I have to add 11, and that wouldn't be possible. So these are the 3 options that I'm left with. So let's examine each one and see which one would best fit all the requirements. Here, the first one, 10 and 6, well, it says she got only 1 10 in all of the 7 tests. And we already have a 10 here, so this wouldn't be a possibility. We can't have another 10, so this cancels out. 9 and 7, well, it says that the mode is 9, so this would fit that. 7, yeah, so this seems okay. Let's check out this one. 8 and 8. This, again, it says the mode is 9. If I have 2 8s, then I'd be left with 2 modes. This will become bimodal. But this clearly says that the mode is 9, so this wouldn't be an option. Therefore, our answer is 9 and 7. So x and y, the other 2 test scores, are 9 and 7. Okay? So I hope you found that helpful. Thank you, and see you in the next video.